Hey guys, hi, very good afternoon to all of you and welcome to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam and I'm live in front of all of you with a sample paper discussion. So how are you guys doing? How's life going on? Hi to everyone. Give me a high five. Come on guys. Let me just start the chat. Sorry, I forgot it. So hi to everyone. Hi Sanvi, hi Akshara, hi Anamika. Very good evening. Hi Avneek, Varun, Clash of Sagar. Hello everyone. Hi Gautam. How are you guys? How's everything going on? Start कीजिए, बिल्कुल start हो चुका है. So how are you guys doing? All good? Yo. Hi Sant. So very good afternoon to all of you guys. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam और मैं आ चुका हूँ in front of all of you with a sample paper discussion. Now in this sample paper discussion, basically the idea is not to solve each and every question. No, that's not the idea. I am not here with that mindset. So the idea is basically that how I can give you a clear picture that which type of questions you might expect in which section. So say for example, today I have taken basic mathematics paper. So I guess you might be knowing that there have been two sample papers released by the CBSE board. One is for standard mathematics, one is for basic mathematics. This is the basic one. And in this, I am going to tell you today for the first part, that is part A, question number 1 to 20. 21st to 36 we'll discuss in the next session, okay? So this is 1 to 20 and in this 1 to 20 questions, the idea is to just to give you a gist that which type of questions might appear and how you have to answer them, okay? So are you all ready? Love your close up, really awesome. Thanks a lot Vaibhav for your beautiful response. Okay, so that's great. Hi Mehak, started, yes. Ashok, it started. Standard ka kab hoga? Abhishek, very soon. So this is for basic, I guess tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You'll have for standard mathematics as well. Don't worry. Okay, chalo. So shall we start? Are you ready? Just tell me yo-yo. Give me a yo-yo. I love you too, Shivraj. So just give me a yo-yo. Shall we start? Namaste Sharad. How are you? Kaise ho beta? Sab badhiya? Okay, chalo. People are giving now yo-yo. So here we start, guys, the basic mathematics paper. Now in the first section, there are two parts, part 1 and part 2. As what I had said you in the previous session where I was discussing about the marking scheme that has been released out by the CBSE board. So as you know that there are two parts, part A and part B. And in that part A, you have two sections, section 1, section 2. So section 1 does have 16 questions and all those 16 questions does carry 1 mark. So 16 into 1, that is 16 marks. Fine? Chalo. So let's start our today's session with the first question. So the first question says express 156 as the product of primes. So do you think that I need to solve this question? And in fact, do you think that you would also require to solve this question? I don't think. It's like 156, like super simple, man. You have to just write 156 and you don't need to show anything. Just you need to write the prime factorization. Like you can write very easily 2 and if I am not wrong, so 5 and 3, 53. Wait a second, 2, so 7 and 8, 78 if I am not wrong. So there are 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Akshara said it. Thanks a lot, Akshara. 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Akshara is saying 2 into 2, isn't it? Like 36, yeah. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Yeah, looks like that only. 13, 3 is 39, 39 and 4. Yup. Absolutely right, Akshara. Thanks a lot for your help. So just like this, you have to put the answers there. You don't need to solve it. You don't need to explain it. You don't need to show any XYZ method. Wherever you do it in your rough. You just write this much answer, 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. That's it. That's the answer. Okay. So I hope everyone is understanding that how you can actually solve these type of questions. Are you? 2 square into 3 into 13. That's it. Fine. Doesn't seem like of class 10. Okay, that's great, Sanvi. Means it's a very good thing that you are not feeling that it's of class 10th. That's great. This means you are going to rock it. Fine. Next question. Write a quadratic polynomial sum of whose zeros is 2 and product is -8. Can you just look at it and tell me the solution? Man, we all know the formula. X square minus sum times x plus product. Who is giving me the answer? Don't write it on your copy. Just one marker, one line answer. X square minus sum plus product. So minus sum, there is minus 2x and plus product means -8. So x square minus 2x minus 8 would be the answer. How many of you are getting it? So Vaibhav got it, Akshara got it, Sanvi got it, many students got it, Sant got it. Looks like everyone is getting it right. Fantastic. So it's x square minus 2x minus 8. Just imagine how easy they have given, isn't it? So super simple. If in case you want to explain a little, you can just simply write x square minus x square minus some times x plus product. Or if you don't want, or if you don't remember, you can just directly write the answer. X square minus 2x minus 8. That's it. So just 2 lines, x square minus some times x plus product, and this second answer, you are done. 1 marks given to you. You don't even need to write this long statement. Not required. Okay? Fine. Sir, मुझे एक doubt है. हर्षिल, अभी doubt कैसे बता सकते हैं बेटा? Next question. So in the yesterday session, I had said you that in this 1 marker also you will get 2 questions where you will have or option. So this is one of the question. Okay? Question says, given that HCF of this 2 is 4 and LCM of this 2 is, find the LCM of this 2. Do you know the formula? Come on, tell me. Yes or no? What's the formula? I don't think I need to tell you, man. What's the formula? Formula is pretty simple. Formula is nothing but A into B is equals to LCM into HCF. That's it. Won't you be able to find it? Yeah, I'm damn sure you would be able to find it. 96 into 404 is equals to LCM we have to find into HCF is 4. If you cancel 4 with 404, what you'll get? You'll simply get 101. And what's the answer of 101? 9600 and plus 96, so that is 9696. 9696. Can there be anything easier than this? Just tell me. HCF into LCM is equals to product of 2 numbers. Absolutely right, Mehak. Can there be anything easier than this? 1 marker, just like 1 or 2 lines. That's max. Second question, state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. It's a theoretical question. You can write it down. So fundamental theorem of arithmetic simply states that any number can be expressed in the format of product of primes, and every number's representation of product of primes is a unique combination of prime numbers. So this is the statement. Although if you want a complete detailed analysis on that, you can just refer to your NCERT. There the statement has been given pretty elaboratively. Okay, fine. ये क्या हलवा है? स्टैंडर्ड कराओ प्लीज वैभव. स्टैंडर्ड अगले सेशन में. इतने हलवा क्वेश्चंस ही आएंगे बिल्कुल. चलो इसका सॉल्यूशन देखना चाहो तो सॉल्यूशन भी देख लो तुम्हारे खुशी के लिए. 9696 आंसर है. और अगर अरिथमेटिक फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक यू वांट टू सी द सॉल्यूशन. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the factor occur. As what I had said, that you can express any number as a product of primes, and that combination of product of primes is unique for any number. That's what the statement is saying. So either you write this or this. I guess this is much more easier, isn't it? Fine. So next question. On comparing the ratios of the coefficient, find out whether the pair of linear equation this and this is consistent or inconsistent. Achha, guys, come on, tell me, keep on telling me, will you be able to solve these questions or do I need to explain? जो question हो जाएगा तुमसे, I would not be explaining it unnecessarily. So just tell me that yes, sir, we would be able to do this. Or in any question, wherever you want some explanation, do let me know that, sir, I want explanation. So who's consistent? Okay, so people are saying that they would be able to do it. Okay, Chaitanya is saying explain. Okay, only one or any other who needs help. Okay, so Chaitanya, let me tell you, only Chaitanya is saying, and Geet Bhardwaj is saying. Rest everyone is saying have understood. No issues. Geet and Chaitanya, please pay attention. You have got 2 equations. In these 2 equations, if the pair of linear equation is consistent, it simply means that it has solution. Consistent simply means solution. Not consistent or inconsistent means no solution. That's the plain answer. So no solution situation, you know, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. That's no solution. Inconsistent. But in consistent, you might have 2 situations. Which 2 situations? First situation is for intersecting lines, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Or it could be even infinite solutions. That is A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So the idea is, whenever a question is asking you about consistent, you have to check for 2 conditions. Either the intersecting lines or the parallel lines. Or the coincident lines. So say for example, if we check here, that's 1 upon 3. See, I'm doing everything without the pen. Is it fine or do I need to use the pen? I don't know whether are you understanding or not. So this is the first one. and this is 3. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. b1 by b2. So that's minus 2 by 4. Obviously they are not equal. Obviously they are not equal. Since they are not equal, this means intersecting lines, unique solution. Intersecting lines and unique solution. Since it is a unique solution, hence it's consistent. Yo, balle balle. I hope you all got it. No need of using pen. Okay, Akshara, thanks a lot for telling that. But Akshara, right now, some students need my help. No issues, fine. So I hope you all understood that. Since you have understood this, let's move on. Let me show you the solution. Very simple, the same thing, consistent. Why? Because it has got a solution. Moving ahead, if A and B are co-prime numbers, then find the HCF of A and B. Who can tell me the answer? It's just like one liner, man. One liner. Who can tell me the answer? If A and B are co-primes, what's the HCF of A and B? Who is going to tell me the answer? One. Very good. Absolutely right. Absolutely right, guys. Because that's the answer. Let me just have some water. Absolutely right. Absolutely. See, that's the answer. Okay. Fine. That's great. Super cool. Super cool. You all got it right. Why? Co-prime will have HCF1 because co-prime itself does have that definition. Co-prime means nothing common in those two numbers. So nothing common means what? HCF1. Yeah, that's it. Fine. Chalo. How? Okay, Prajwal. Co-prime has that definition only, Prajwal. That co-prime are those numbers which do not have anything in common. Since they do not have anything in common, so that's why its HCF will be 1. Okay? Fine. Chalo. How to join Vedantu Pro players? Please tell. Okay, Arshil, not now. I'll tell you later on. Fine. So this is the HCF1 part. Let's move on. Just read this question. Let me have some water. Just read this question. Okay, chalo. Let's move on. So question says, find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if the angle of sector is 60 degree. How many of you think that you can actually solve it out? It's like super easy, man. Pani, हाँ भाई पानी. कुछ और मत सोचना. कुछ और नहीं. Okay. So area of sector of a circle, I guess everyone knows that this is theta by 360 into pi r square. I don't think I need to tell you. What's theta? Theta is given 60. What's r? R is given 6. Won't you be able to find it? Yeah, I think you would be able to find it. Because theta by 360, it will be 60 by 360, that is 1 by 6. Pi, let it be as it is. R square, that is 6 into 6. So very easily cancel. 6 pi is the answer. First question, 6 pi is the answer. 6 pi, you have to use the value of pi as 22 by 7. No issues. You can use that. Alcohol. Acha beta, R.D. Sharma. Sahi hai. Fine. So I hope you all understood that, isn't it? So 6 pi is the answer. Absolutely great. A horse tied to a pole with 28-meter long rope. Find the perimeter of the field where horse can graze. Perimeter of the field where horse can graze. Do you know what you have to find here? Do you know what you have to find here? Actually, horse is at this point tied and horse has a rope. So the perimeter which the horse will be able to graze would be this much. 2 pi r. So Chaitanya, I explained it, buddy. Did you understand this? Did you all understand this? That 2 pi r would be the answer here in the second scenario. So 2 pi r. R is given here 28 meter. Would you be able to understand that? Yes. Yo. Okay, that's great. बहुत ही बढ़िया. अगर सारे बच्चे इसको समझ गए तो यार मेरे को चींटी काट रही थी. हो. Anyways, let's move on. If you all understood that, let's move on. Here we go. इस बार क्रैश कोर्स लॉन्च होगा कि लास्ट ईयर? हाँ, लॉन्च होगा भाई, बिल्कुल लॉन्च होगा. डोंट वरी. चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन. हियर वी गो. सो द सेम आंसर व्हाट वी डिड. 1 by 6, 22 by 7, 36. So 6 pi would be equal to 18.86. If you want to get the decimal answer, that's fine. If you don't want, that's also fine. No issues. You can just write it in the fraction format. Next question, 2 pi r. So 2 pi r value is 28. Solving it, getting the answer 176. Okay, fine. So if you all understood till here, let's move on. Sir, syllabus is reduced. Yes, absolutely right, Aryan. Next question. Next question says, in the given, DE is parallel to BC and angle ADE. This angle is 70 degree. Angle BAC is 50 degree. Then angle BCA. Everyone please pay attention. This is 70. This is 50. So if this is 70, this is 50. 120. So surely the third angle would be 60. I hope you are understanding that. Since this third angle is 60 and you are knowing that DE is parallel to BC, Do you understand that in fact this angle should also become 60 degree because of corresponding angles? Isn't it? Corresponding angles should it be 60 or not? Yeah, just tell me corresponding angles. Are you understanding it? Yes. Okay, cool. So that was the answer, 60. Very easily you got this. Similarly, you can even try the OR one, that here AD is 2, AD is 2, BD is 3, AE is 3.5 and AC is 7. AC is 7 means this is also 3.5. So is DE parallel to BC? What do you think? Is DE parallel to BC? So the idea is that the line would be parallel only if it satisfies the BPT, basic proportionality theorem. BPT says that this upon this should be equal to this upon this. Obviously in this side you are having 3.5 upon 3.5, that is 1. But here in this case you are having 2 by 3. Obviously they are not equal. Since they are not equal, that's why the lines won't be parallel. No. So very easily you can solve these questions. Acha, come on guys, just tell me, do you feel this confidence now that yes sir, if these type of questions are going to come in our examinations, we are going to rock it? Are you getting that feeling? Come on, tell me yes or no. Are you getting that feeling that yes sir, damn sure if these type of questions come in the examination, we are going to rock it? Yeah? Okay, that's great, fantastic. Yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir, yo sir, yo. Very good, fantastic, yo. Cool man, that's great. That's great. पंजाब बोर्ड वाले क्या करें? बेटा भंगड़ा करो और क्या? Just joking. पंजाब बोर्ड also do not get worried. पंजाब बोर्ड वालों को भी कोई ज्यादा टेंशन लेने वाली बात नहीं है. ये क्वेश्चंस मतलब सारे देखो पढ़ाई करते चलो, बिकॉज स्टडी इज द बेसिक थिंग. सीबीएसई बोर्ड हो, पंजाब बोर्ड हो, बिहार बोर्ड हो, महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड हो, डज नॉट मैटर यार. क्वेश्चंस तो सब जगह सेम ही आ रहे हैं. ऐसा थोड़ी कि पंजाब बोर्ड में इंटीग्रेशन पूछ देगा और बिहार बोर्ड में क्या कहते हैं डिफरेंशिएशन पूछ देगा और सीबीएसई में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन पूछ रहा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके चलो, एनीवेज लेट्स मूव ऑन. इफ यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर, and one more thing, we should not spend too much time in solving these questions. We should not spend too much time, okay, because these are one marker, maximum 1 mark only you'll get here. Okay, anyways, let's move on. The cost of fencing the circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is 5280. Find the radius of the field. Just tell me, will you be able to solve this question or do I need to explain? Come on, RCB will win. Okay, RD Sharma, instead of that you should tell me the answer. Will you be able to solve this or not? Jaldi. What you will do here, very simple thing, you have to just take care of one thing. Total amount is given, per meter cost is given, so you'll write 5280 divided by 24. This much distance, this much length should be the length of 2 pi r. Why I am making it equal to 2 pi r? Because I know fencing is done along perimeter only. Fencing is done along perimeter only. That's why it should be 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equals to 5280 by 24. Did you all understand it? Jai Shri Harsh. Acha beta. Okay, so सबको समझ में आया? One shot video of triangle is private. Okay, Shweta, it would be made public. Don't worry, very soon. Chalo. You read my comment. Yes, Apurva, I do read your comments, buddy. Fine. So everyone understood. That's great, man. So if you all understood, let's move on then. So the same thing. It's 5280 divided by 24. It's 220 equals to 2 pi r. You'll solve it. You'll get radius equals to 35 meters. Okay. Chalo. Moving on, next question, looking like very big, but no, don't worry, it's not so big. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends that the top of the touches the ground where it makes an angle 30 degree. Distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree from where it is broken. Okay. So everyone, are you understanding the diagram? Just first of all tell me, क्या diagram समझ में आ रहा है? Are you all understanding? Height and distances का है, ये तो बिल्कुल सही बात है. प्रयास बिल्कुल सही बात है. Height and distances का है. एक ऐसा बड़ा सा ट्री है, वो बीच से टूट गया. Once it got broke, it fell down on the ground. Question is saying that this tree is making an angle 30 degree with the ground. The top. Question is saying touches the ground where it makes an angle 30 degree with the ground making an angle 30 degree. Okay, fine. Question is saying that it is 8 meter on ground it is 8 meters. So if this is the situation, question is asking find the height of the tree from where it is broken. Height of the tree from where it is broken means this length. You have to find this. So if this is the angle, perpendicular you have to find, base is given, perpendicular you have to find. Very easily what you can apply? You can apply tan 30. tan 30 is equals to perpendicular upon base. Isn't it? Am I right or wrong? Tan 30 everyone knows, man. Everyone knows tan 30 these days is 1 upon root 3 is equals to perpendicular upon base. Base is 8. You will send it to that side. 8 upon root 3 is equals to perpendicular. So hence we got this. Yo, is it right or wrong? Come on, tell me. Yes or no? Sir, syllabus going to reduce again? No. Abhishek, not at all. It's not going to reduce again. मैं बस वेदांतु ही देखता हूँ. अच्छा, अच्छी बात है यार. आर्यन, जान के अच्छा लगा. Fine. तो अगर यहाँ तक की बात समझ में आ गई है, if you have got this, let's move on. So the final answer would be 8 upon root 3. That's it. You don't need to bother about anything. You have to just write this much. You get 1 full marks. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. If the perimeter of the area of the circle are numerically equal, then find the radius of the circle. Perimeter and the area. Perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal. Would you be able to solve this question? Guys, come on, tell me. Yes or no? हो जाएगा. हो जाएगा. क्या कह रहा है? Perimeter. That is 2 pi r is equals to area of the circle. Area means pi r square. तो क्या होगा? Pi and pi gets cancelled. R will cancel this r. So finally r is equals to 2. So if the radius is equals to 2, then you will numerically get perimeter of the circle equals to area of the circle. If the perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal, so numerically equal when the radius will be equals to 2. To find the radius of the circle, so we got it 2. I hope you all got it. Yes or no? You all got it? Chalo. If you all got it, so radius is equals to 2. We got it. Let's move on. Write the empirical relationship among mean, median and mode. Do you remember this? याद आ रहा है? वैसे ये मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं है. I have not taught you till now. So if you don't remember, let me just write it down the method. See, the biggest one or the largest word is median out of these three. So out of these three, median is the largest one. So just write with median, this is largest, so it will have 3. Mean is the second largest, so it will have 2. Mode is the smallest, so it will have 1. Got it? Simple. Okay. Now you all know 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So just remember this one. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. 3 minus 2 equals to 1 means what? 3 median. 3 median minus 2 mean is equals to 1 mode. Is equals to 1 mode. Will you always remember this formula? Come on, tell me. This is the methodology to remember this formula. Hi-fi Kashvi. Okay, so hi-fi Kashvi. What's up, buddy? All good, all great. Chalo. So just did you all understand it or not? Yes or no? Did you all understand it? Yes? Okay, cool. So if you all understood it, yo. Cool. अगर सबको समझ में आ गया है, if you all have understood, let's move on then. Very simple. 3 median minus 2 mean equals to 1 mode. The same what we did. Okay? Fine. So if you all understood that, let's move on to the next one. To divide the line segment internally in ratio 3:5, we can draw BX such that CBX is an acute angle. What will be the minimum number of points to be located at equal distance on ray BX? Who can tell me that? Who can tell me that? What would be the minimum number of points if you have to divide a line segment in the ratio 3:5? 3:5, 3:5, 3:5. Come on. Who can tell me the answer? Sir, you remember Hero Hiralal? Yes, Ashutosh, I do remember. Sir, 50% हो गया. 50% हो गया? मतलब 50%, sorry, by mistake I show you the answer. So some of them are saying 3, some of them are saying 8. Answer is 8, my lovely kids. If you do remember the methodology which I have taught you, the methodology, if you do remember, so there used to be a line segment that has to be divided into 3:5 ratio. Then you used to draw a acute angle. In this acute angle, if you do remember, whatever is the ratio, we used to add them. Do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then if this is your B and this is your X, so we used to name it B1, B2, B3 and so on dot till B8. And from this B3, so from this B8, first of all, we used to join this. And then from this B3, we used to make a parallel line, parallel to this line. So this is the point which will actually divide this BA in 3:5 ratio. 3:5 ratio. So you don't have to do this much whole thing. You have to just write 3 plus 5, that is 8. That's it. That will be the answer. Okay. Chalo. So Nandana, did you understand? All of you understood? Chalo, if you understood, so BX is 8. Absolutely right. Moving on. For what values of p does the pair of equations this and this has unique solution? I think you can do that. I damn think you can do that. Unique solution this simply means what? A1 by A2, that is 4 by 2, not equal to B1 by B2, not equal to P by 2, isn't it? So A1 by A2, that is 4 by 2, not equal to P by 2. So 4 by 2, that is 2, not equal to P by 2, means P by 2 is not equal to 2, means P should not be equal to 4, rest everything can be done. So if P should not be equal to 4, rest you can take any values of P. That's the answer. Okay. And next, P is not equal to 4. Absolutely right, Sanvi, absolutely right. आपके close-up में मजा आ गया. Okay, thanks a lot, Kashvi. What type of straight lines will be represented by the system of equations this and this? What type of straight lines will be represented by the system of equations this and this? So I guess you can do that. A1 by A2, that is 2 by 4. B1 by B2, that is 3 by 6. C1 by C2, that is 5 by 7. So A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. What type of line do you feel, do you get it here? Okay, so Akshara said it right, absolutely right, Akshara. It's parallel, it's parallel. Very good. Very fantastic, guys. I'm super impressed from your preparation. You guys are doing it great. Very good, very good. High five, Janant. Sorry, I could not see the name, but yeah, high five. Chalo, theek hai. Let's move on, guys. Here we move on. So the entire solution P should not be equal to 4, and A1 by A2, B1 by B2 is equal, but C1 by C2 not equal. So hence parallel lines. Cool. Chalo. Moving ahead. Next question. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Probability you have to find. So what's the probability that the ball drawn is red? So red ball, very simple, man. 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8. Are you all getting it? 3 by 8. So everyone is saying the answer. So now I don't think I need to tell the answer. You will yourself tell me. Dice thrown once. What's the probability of getting a prime number? Who is going to give me the answer? Probability of getting a prime number. Getting a prime number on a dice. On a dice. Sir, Punjab का syllabus reduce नहीं होया. हाय कोई बात नहीं महक बेटा. It's okay. Akshara absolutely right. Sanvi absolutely right. Harshita absolutely right. Shruti right. Satmant right. Very good. Everyone. Those who got the answer 1 by 2 absolutely right. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. 3 numbers are prime numbers. So these 3 numbers divided by altogether 6 outcome. So 3 by 6, answer is 1 by 2. Isn't it? Chalo. See the solution 2, 3, 5. 3 by 6, answer is 1 by 2. In the previous question, number of red balls is 3, total balls is 8. So 3 by 8. Cool. Very simple questions, isn't it? I'm simply loving it, man. Tower stands vertically on the ground from a point in the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Okay, simple questions. Who is going to give me the answer for this? That too before me. That too before me. You are ignoring me. Gopal Gowda, ऐसा नहीं है बेटा, इतना गुस्सा नहीं करने का. BP बढ़ जाएगा. So, ऐसा है. And now here, 15 meter away from a point, someone looks at the top of the tower, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. What's the height of the tower? Who is telling me the answer? 15 root 3. Wow, Bhavya, Sanvi, Aman, क्या बात है यार, तुम लोग फोड़ रहे हो. Aman, it's not 5 root 3 buddy, it's 15 root 3. अगर मेरे को जहां तक समझ में आ रहा है 15 root 3 होना चाहिए. Yeah, it should be 15 root 3. Bhavya, Akshara, okay, very good. Varun also right, fantastic. Sant Mat is also right. Jannat, अच्छा Jannat is also right, fantastic. बहुत बढ़िया यार. 15 root 3 would be the answer here. You have to just apply the trigonometry apply करना है. ठीक है, चलो. मजा आ रहा है? Just tell me, are you all enjoying? मजा आ रहा है? Yes or no? Yes or no? जल्दी, come on, fast. Sir, you know Punjabi? Thodi little. Okay? High five buddy, high five. School. So you all are understanding, that's great, fantastic. तो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगले तो इसका solution 15 root 3. Very simply we got it. अब let's move on to the next question. तो अगले क्वेश्चन में क्या कर सकते हैं? अगला क्वेश्चन कहता है probability of an event E plus probability of an event E bar not E is. क्या होगा? यार एक लाइन का आंसर है. एक लाइन, one line. It's a one liner. Come on everyone, one liner. Fast. Arsh Jan, Narendra Singh, Sweta Singh, Akshara, everyone is right. Absolutely one. इसका आंसर तो बहुत सिंपल है. Probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equals to 1. Obviously, every time, without any second thought. यार कितने आसान क्वेश्चन है. Like 16 marks is in your pocket without thinking twice. Now let's move on to the second part, section 2, where you'll have case-based question, case study will be there, and you have to find the answer. These are also super easy. Let me show you one by one. So the first question which I had shown you in the previous discussion of the marking scheme, if you do remember that video. Taj Mahal, there is a good teacher who actually cares about her students, and she made her students visit the Red Fort. So entire information is given. I have already shown it to you. So she is showing to the students that, okay, see this Taj Mahal, it has got some volumetric figures, surface area volume she's trying to teach. So she said that this is a hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. These are cylinders, cylindrical figure. So just like that she is teaching. So now the question based on this case is in front of all of you. The first question. It says how much cloth material will be required to cover 2 big domes of radius this. Guys, I'm damn sure you can do that. I'm damn sure. See, dome is of shape of hemisphere, and if you have to cover hemisphere from cloth, this means you need CSA. So CSA of 1 dome, and you have 2 big domes, so 2 into CSA. That's the answer. Yeah, 2 into CSA, we all know it's 2 pi r square of a hemisphere. So 2 into 2, that's 4 pi r square without even doubt. So 4 pi, what's r square? I don't know what's r square. R is given here 2.5 meters. So 2.5 simply means 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Very easily 2 gone with 5. 25 pi is the answer. 25 pi is the answer. If you want to get it in decimal, 25 into 3.14. 25 into 3.14. So 3.14 would simply make it like 78 point something something. Nearest answer is looking like this. You don't even need to calculate it. You don't need even to calculate it. Multiple choice questions, you got the answer. Did you all understand it? It's not C, it's B. It's B. Are you all getting it? Come on. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you all getting it? Yes? Chalo, let me show you the solution as well. 78.57. The same what we were having. Yeah? Chalo. If you all understood that, let's move on. Next question. Write the formula to find the volume of a cylindrical pillar. Do you know the volume of a cylinder? Man, are they joking with us? Means, do they want to check our level that are we in class 10th or not? Or have we studied our class 9th or not? Man, volume of cylinder, who asked that question? Boring teacher, no issues, sant mat, it's okay beta, koi baat nahi. Hai, kuch bacche hote hain, bechare. Chalo, kya, anyways. So volume of the cylindrical pillar, it's pi r square. Yeah, it's pi r square. Simple, very simple. Pi r square h. Sorry, बोल गया. Pi r square h. So A is the answer. यहाँ तक की बात समझ में आ गई. Pi r square h हो गया. अगला क्वेश्चन देखो. Find the lateral surface area of 2 pillars if the height of the pillar is this and radius is this. Lateral surface area निकाल लोगे क्या? जल्दी बताओ. Kashvi, nahi beta, syllabus won't be reduced, so don't think on that line. Just prepare what is there. Okay, don't go on reduction of the syllabus. ओके पंजाब के सीएम से बात करो सिलेबस रिड्यूस कराने के लिए. यार महक मेरी जान पहचान सिर्फ मोदी जी से है, बाकी और किसी से नहीं. मैं बाकी चीफ मिनिस्टर से ध्यान नहीं रखता. आई जस्ट टॉक टू पीएम. प्राइम मिनिस्टर से सिर्फ अपनी बात होती है. ओके ओके फाइन. सो आई होप यू ऑल विल बी गेटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन एज वेल. क्या कह रहा है? लैटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 2 पिलर्स if the height. So 2 pillars means 2 into curved surface area. What's the curved surface area? It's 2 pi RH. So 2 into 2 pi RH, that is 4 pi RH. 4 pi value you know 22 by 7. Radius is given 1.4. H is given 7 meters. Won't you be able to find it? B. Narendra is saying answer B. Maybe right, maybe wrong. I don't know. Let me just show you. So 2 into 2 pi RH, 4 into pi, radius is 1.4 and height is 7. You have to just solve all the values, calculate them, and you have to get the right answer. I guess this is easy, man. मैं प्राण गढ़ पे वाली टीचर को कह रहा था. I really don't understand that. पता नहीं क्या कह रहा बच्चा. Anyways, I hope you understood that. Everyone, सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes. चलो अगर सबको समझ में आ गया तो अब अगले क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं. How much is the volume of hemisphere if the radius of the base is this? Question is saying how much is the volume. So this means question is asking you the volume. So guys, my idea is not to discuss the entire question as what I had said. मैंने almost 90% discuss कर दिया. But still I'll leave 10% questions for you. So my idea is not to discuss entire question. Why I was saying this? Because my idea is to make you or show you these questions. and make you feel that these questions are super easy. Now just tell me, does this question have any implication of the case-based question? Like they have given a big name, case-based question, scenario-based question. But do you feel that these questions are any way different? This question is simply asking you, man, how much is the volume of hemisphere if the radius of the base is this? How does it correlate to a situation? No, it does not correlate. You have to just apply the formula of volume of hemisphere, you are good to go, isn't it? So these questions are damn easy. You would be able to solve it. So from now onwards, I am not solving them. You have to solve it and get the answer. I'm just showing you the answer slide. So in case if you want to tally your answer, you can actually tally from here. Okay? Chalo. Let's move on. Ratio of sum of the volumes of two hemisphere, radius 1 centimeter each to the volume of sphere of radius 2 centimeter. Very simple questions. We have already done this. Just give me a yo-yo. Are you all understanding and feeling confident that yes, you would be able to do these questions? Yes or no? वेदांतु सब्सक्रिप्शन जरूरी है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं यूट्यूब, ऐसा बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है कि वेदांतु सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना जरूरी है. अगर आपको वेदांतु के टीचर से लाइव पढ़ना है, वेदांतु प्लेटफॉर्म पे जहां पे क्विजेस होते हैं एंड मेनी अदर फैसिलिटीज आर गिवन, फॉर दैट फैसिलिटी यू विल हैव टू परचेज द वेदांतु सब्सक्रिप्शन. अदरवाइज इफ यू डोंट वांट दोस फैसिलिटीज, यू हैव टू जस्ट like study on YouTube without test, without assignment, without notes, without teachers contact, without anything, just study. So then YouTube is good, no issues. Okay, chalo, let's move on then. So very simply you'll get this answer as well. 1:8 is the answer. So just solve it on your own and tally it. Okay, so this is the next case based question. So now my idea is not to solve these questions. Again I'm saying my idea is not to solve these questions. My idea is to just show you the question. So guys, I'm showing you the questions one by one and I want you guys to solve it as your homework. So how many of you will solve it? Just say me honestly that sir I will solve and sir I will not solve. How many of you will solve it to see whether are you understanding these case based questions or not? And I'm leaving these questions only because of this thought that you will not get these questions anywhere else. So you have to practice it. Take my name, Anand, no, okay. Shruti is saying I will solve. Anyone else? I will solve. Sanvi says, who else? Avik, Ashutosh, okay, that's it. I will. Akshara is saying, Avnik is saying yo-yo. No one else will solve it. Nandana is saying yes, she will solve it. Okay, that's great, that's great. So crazy piano, we can't take doubts here, buddy, because YouTube does not allow that. So how would I be able to take your doubts? You can only write it down in the chat box, and that too also it's not sure that I would be able to read it out. So this is not the place where I can take your doubts. That's why, just like YouTube was asking right now that sir, is Vedantu subscription is important or not? So it's not important until unless you don't need these services like doubt solving, talking to teachers, connecting with him, having notes, having doubt support, class support, anything these like. If you don't need this, you don't need subscription. But yes, if you need that doubt support, you need some problem clarification, solution, in those situations you will need that subscription, Vedantu subscription. Okay, chalo, anyways, let's move on. So this is the first question, first sub part, second sub part, third sub part, fourth sub part and fifth sub part. So all the questions I have just shown you, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, you can just pause it and see it. Moving ahead, the solution for the first sub part, second sub part, solution of all the sub part, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So all of them are 1 1 1 1 marker. Just solve it on your own and tally the answer. Okay. Moving ahead, 19th question, again a situation based question, but there is no such big situation. So you can just read it out. Based on this, the first question is this one. Read the question, solve it on your own. You have to solve it and you will be able to solve it. Believe me. Okay. First sub part, second sub part, third sub part, fourth sub part and fifth sub part of 19th question. Okay, solution to these subparts are these solutions. So you have to just solve these questions. And how would you solve that question? Either you download it from the Google, either you download this sample paper, or you can pause this video itself. You can pause this video and see the question, write it down, solve it on your own. Then you can make it fast forward, see the solutions, whether are you getting the solution or not. That's the check, and you should do it. That's why I'm leaving it, because I know you won't get these type of questions on Google or in market, because in market these questions are not there right now. Okay, so please solve them. Fine. Chalo, moving on. Due to the head, so again a situation. I'm not reading it, I'm not solving it, because I know you need to practice it. Very important for you. A situation. In this situation, first subpart, 20th first subpart, second subpart, third subpart, fourth subpart, fifth subpart. Okay, 5 questions, and of these 5 questions the solutions are these 5. Okay, so just solve it and tally your answer whether are you getting these answers or not. Yo. So standard maths paper kab aayega? So Siddharth, it would be coming most probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, so don't worry, 1-2 दिन में आ जाएगा पक्का. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move on. So now it's time for actually clapping for the JEE rankers, and as you might be knowing, the Vedantu has produced unexpectedly outstanding results in JEE. These people like double-digit rank, triple-digit rank Vedantu has produced, and that too is so early. Means we are not here in the field, means Vedantu is not in the education field like 20 to 30 years. We have just started very recently, but still so many good results. So it is actually signifies, it actually proves that the level of teaching at Vedantu is undoubtedly very good. It's outstanding. Okay, so these students have produced outstanding results, and Vedantu says a clap to all of them. And these students have believed on Vedantu, and they joined Vedantu for long-term courses, and they studied here for a very long time, and right now they are with the flying colors. So guys, now it's your turn to actually go and join Vedantu. Take this opportunity, start learning online. Don't stop your learning, no matter whatsoever the situation. Is it a coronavirus, it is a pandemic, or it's whatever, but your learning should not stop. Don't stop your learning because of money or because of transportation problem, because of going to some place or XYZ reason. You can sit at your comfort of your home, start learning from Vedantu. Okay, so the link for this entire enrollment is given in the description box. You can just go and click there. The link would be read as vdnt.in/ytpro. Just go and click on that link. Once you select all these details like class, boards, and then you'll land at a page like this. Here you have to click on get subscription. You'll see a page like this where different subscription models would be there. You have to just put a coupon code here, HPE Pro. This coupon code will allow you an extra discount over the discounted price. An extra discount, hence this will be the final price. Just pay that and you're good to start. Okay, fine. So that was all folks for this session. It was really a wonderful session with you all. So I loved and enjoyed it. I'll be coming very soon with the next part of this paper, that is section 2, part 2 of this paper, section B basically, where we'll be discussing 2 marker, 3 marker and 5 marker questions. Similarly, I'll be doing for the standard mathematics paper as well. So do follow those videos, stay tuned, like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you keep on getting the updates. With this, myself Harsh Priyam signing off at this junction, saying you all a very good bye. See you all guys in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care and good night. Bye bye.